toss some money to the sky, oh yeah. I'ma be finessing till I die, oh yeah. We gon' fuck around for the night, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
の光を放つダイヤモンド。
I just think it's kind of funny that it's like 9 a.m. and I decided I want to transform myself into an eagle. Like, who does that? But yeah, for this transformation, the first thing that I'm going to do is search up how to be an e-girl. I mean, I've seen e-girls before. Like, they're super cute, aesthetically pleasing, like overdone blush, you know, half hair dyed. You know what I'm trying to say? Super cute. But I kind of just want to see if there's more to it, because that's honestly all I know. So the first thing that I'm going to do to start out this transformation is look up what is an e-girl. Okay, so this definition says that an e-girl is a wrong definition. Okay, so I'm seeing here that an e-girl is a species of emo usually found on TikTok, but commonly spends time on Tumblr. Can be found wearing pink eyeshadow with a large wing, little hearts under the eyes, and a blushed nose. Normally wearing some type of shirt from Urban Outfitters over a long sleeve striped shirt. Commonly found doing the me dance.
Me, sexy me. Me, 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 me.
What was that? Nah, I know you females don't do that. You playing with me. What was that? Stop playing with me. Interesting. So I decided to do a little bit more research on an e-girl just so I could get some inspiration on the makeup look, you know what I'm trying to say. Some really pretty girls popped up, some TikTok girls popped up, and you know, the band pops up too. And that's great and that's jazzy and stuff, but you know what? I'm trying to look for somebody that I can, you know, relate to, you know what I'm trying to say? So it's okay. In situations like this, I do what I normally have to do, you know? Just make my research a little bit more specific, you know what I'm trying to say? And I am highly disappointed on the results. Like, come on now. This has nothing to do with what I'm looking for. And tell me why she pops up. Who invited Treasure to the party? Who? Okay, I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna be calm and collected. I just gotta be even more specific. It's okay, it happens. It's okay, it's not that deep. And you know, and this really cute girl pops up, but her makeup isn't really what I wanna, you know, look for. She pops up, not really what I'm looking for. And then the rest of the search, anyway, it's not that deep. It's really not. So let me move on.
Okay.
So I'll be right back with you guys. I think I have a solid look that I'm just gonna go for, and we're just gonna do it. So I'll be right back with my hair braided and a wig I just chose. Alright guys, so I am back. It's been like 4 hours, bro. Like, since the last time I filmed like the first part of this. It's been a fat minute. I just got distracted by movies. Like, I just saw what's it called, Rags for the first time, the Nickelodeon movie, like for the first time. It was so good. Oh my god. And like, Charlie is so fine. Like yeah, it was a really good movie. And I also watched Dark Times, which is also really good. It's on Netflix. Like, I recommend you watch it. But yes, this is the wig that I decided to wear just because like I said, a lot of the girls that I've seen were like, you know, banged out and stuff. They had the bangs out, so I feel like this wig fits perfectly for like this e-girl effect that I'm trying to go for. Okay, so here we go. Here's the wig, super cute. I want to style it differently, like maybe like, I don't know. This is, ooh, that's ugly. I'm trying to see if I could like add 2 like pigtails right here. Or maybe I should just Here, I'll braid this right here. Should I add another braid? Yeah, let's do it. There we go. Fix it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my makeup now. So go ahead and clip my bangs back. I am officially ready to start this look. I'm not 100% sure what I want to go for, but I'm just honestly gonna go for it. Just like watch me do my makeup. I'm gonna just let it flow to me.
神秘の光を放つダイヤモンド。
Everyday baked blush that I normally use. I was really excited. I really wanted to use it. But instead, I'm going to go ahead and use this one. From CoverGirl. The first time I'm actually touching it. I hope it works. Like, I don't know. Can you even tell I got it on? I don't know if you guys can see it, but I done put a lot of blush on, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these lashes to finish off the look. But guys, this is the final look. This is me turning into an e-girl. Handle me? Who gonna handle me? Yeah, this is mad cute. I like it. I like it. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take some pictures. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. Love you guys so much. Bye.